house. I figured that today I wanted to finally take on the very daunting task of cleaning and reorganizing my closet and moving some things around. Recently I've been watching a lot of like Never Too Small, which showcases really beautiful like tiny spaces, and so I've been very inspired to finally take control of my closet and kind of change it into a more refreshing layout. Also, I wanted to sort through my clothing, see what I wanted to keep, and look at what I could donate to friends or family or even resell. I have not been looking forward to this and I've been putting this off, but I have nothing else to do today except for Animal Crossing. So anyways, we have 3 closets that we keep our clothes in. The first closet is in our bedroom, and that's where we put the jackets and the clothes that we don't wear very often. The second closet is kind of right by our front door, and it's where we put all the jackets that we've been wearing regularly. And I know we have a lot of jackets, but it's winter here like 75% of the year, and it's really cold, so in Edmonton, you need a good jacket. And then we have our big closet, which we put all our clothing, my shoes, underwear, etc. Eric calls it Mega Closet. Okay, so this is Mega Closet. Here, this side are my shoes. My clothes are on this side, and then Eric's are on this side. I didn't have enough closet space to hang stuff in this closet, so I put it here. Underwear, socks go here. My jewelry's on top, which is an absolute mess. I've been putting my pajamas in this box, and like Eric has his here, but obviously Eric's is a lot messier. And then we have our full-length mirror here, which I've been wanting to move. And then all the clean laundry that I haven't folded yet, because I am not one of those people who does things right away. I wait until they build up and then I do a mass cleaning. This is, oh my god, an absolute mess, but I'm really hoping that by the end of the day we can sort this. Also, Navi loves sleeping here, so she'll probably be in this video quite a bit. I guess I should make piles first. By the door is going to be the things that I don't want to keep, that I want to give away to friends and family, and then I'm going to just organize the clothes that I do want to keep on this side of the room into like my piles of underwear, socks, things I need to hang, stuff like that. And Navi, you're being a little needy, but you're so cute. Okay, everything from this closet is now on the floor. There's like nowhere to stand. This is this thrifted dress I found for like $10 with the cutest little collar and balloon sleeves. I think it's silk too. This dress is super wrinkly and I'm embarrassed to say, but I haven't gotten it dry cleaned since I wore it for my wedding. It's Regina Pio, and I actually bought it on sale for like half the price of Eric's suit. So, this is the hanbok that I actually wore for my wedding, and Eric's grandparents bought it, this one and his matching one, for us as our wedding presents, and it was so wonderful to wear such like a beautiful handcrafted piece. This is the jacket for it. I've not worn this dress in a very long time. So this is what's left of that closet clearance, and now I think onto the shoes. My shoes desperately need like a good vacuuming, at least each row does. So I'm gonna take all my shoes off. Eric's Birkenstocks, which he loves so much. These are my Sakai platform sandals, Martiniano flats, my Birkenstocks, Eric's second pair of Birkenstocks. I think I need to empty this thing. And I have this, which will help. A little bit dustier. Okay, next layer. Space right here for 2 more shoes. Okay, I am relatively happy with how this looks right now. Now, onto my stuff. So how I've organized my side of the closet is that I have pants down here, shirts, pants again for some reason. I think pants just take up a lot of space. So let's take out this first. Need to do more dusting. Stella McCartney jeans I bought from the Nordstrom rack for like $80. These are shorts that I cut from like a size 34 men's Levi's jeans that I found at the thrift store. You can wear it either with a belt or by itself for kind of like a drop waist denim jean. These are vintage Versace jeans that a cousin actually gave me almost 10 years ago. And I mean, I've worn these a couple times, but they are absolutely incredible. So I will hold on to them. Next up are my shirts, which I just want to dump out because there's too much. Oh. Where to start? And judgment isn't fair anymore if the content... Look at how much room there is now. Like, I can actually put my fingers in between my clothes. So I haven't really decided what I want to put in this level yet. Either some of my purses or even like move my jewelry all here. I still don't know how I feel about that because it's sticking out, but also you might be able to hear Eric. He's in the other room playing video games. What else is new? Also, yeah, so these are my hats and I need to organize them. And up here were supposed to be sweaters, but that was a huge mess. So yeah, I'm not really sure. Maybe I put my sweaters here? I think I've more or less figured it out. I'm not going to turn these. Instead, I will just put the sweaters, like squish them to the side. Maybe I'll put on that side so it's not so close to the shoes. Okay. And I'm gonna bring this back up. And then maybe I'll put some bags beside. Right there. A film canister. And Paris Metro tickets. Okay. I've actually had this bag for a really long time, but I think it's time for this guy to go. Oh. Hand cream. I'm like super bad at keeping random stuff in my purses and then I get things lost, so it's a great time to just sort through everything. Oh, my vintage purse. You know what? I'm gonna get a stool. Okay. Woo! Oh, I'm sorry. More hats. In this box I have all like my foldable hats. So toques, this vintage furry bucket hat, my berets, and then my Chanel one can go right there. So just to give you guys like a full finalized view, up there, bags, sweaters, hats, shirts, bottoms, some purses. Okay, so this is Eric's side. Up here we have like our workout gear. Down here his shirts, and his bottoms are down here. This first, over here. I'm okay with it. Maybe more to the side. What if I put the mirror here? Just ditch that there for a sec. Woo! Would not want that to fall. I did it. So far, I like this, and I actually really like this without the closet door. I'm wondering if I should migrate more of my plants over here since that area is so barren, but yeah, next figure out the jewelry station and where to put this closet door. Crooked. Okay, so this is the finalized jewelry section, and it's so much more sparse than before, which makes me very happy. So just to wrap things up, I wanted to give like a final viewing, I guess, of the closet. We are done, and I'm so ready to just spend hours and hours playing Animal Crossing right about now. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and for keeping me accountable. Cleaning this room has been at the back of my mind for so long, and it feels amazing to finally get it done. So I want to thank you guys all for watching, for following along. Be kind to yourself and to others during these really hard and uncertain times. We definitely just need a little bit more kindness out there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.